Hey there, we've been having a little trouble with our blower motor control knob. The selection 1 wasn't working at all. You turn it to 2, the blower would come on. 2, 3, 4 was all working. So we got by with just using 2, 3, or 4 for a little while. But now 2 went out as well. So 1 and 2, no blower. You got to turn on 3 or 4. But by the time you turn on 3, the blower motor fan is, blowing a little excessive sometimes. So I ordered a new resistor from Amazon, and I think I paid about $12. I saw them anywhere from like $12 to $40, but we did this once before on my daughter's Liberty. Bought the cheap one. It's still going strong, so I just bought the cheap one again. It's really easy to change. You'll need an 8mm, and if you got a 90-degree hook or something to pull the tab, which I will show you, that helps a lot too. So get your 8mm socket, get your 90-degree pick, get your resistor. Take you about 5 minutes. Here we go. The blower motor resistor is behind the glove box. Pop that open, push in on the sides and release those hooks. That'll drop down. You can see your connector right there. So you're gonna want to take a 90-degree hook, pop open the red tab, pull the red tab out, I should say. Then you got a little squeeze to pull the connector out. See the orange tab there. Then you've got your resistor. I don't know if you can see in there, it's kind of dark, but your resistor is in here with two 8mm screws. So I'm going to take those out and then I'll show you the resistor. Okay, once you get both of these screws out, the resistor will pull right out. It's actually just sitting in a slot to hold it. It's all the work's through the connector. So let me grab it. So you take your new resistor and pop it right in that spot. I know it's really dark in there. I should have lit this up better, but I'm out in my driveway right now, so I'm gonna get those 2 screws in. We'll get this plugged back in and see how she works. Alright, so once you get that resistor pushed in there, get those 2 screws back in, plug that in, get that red tab pressed in, locked into place. You can actually come up from underneath of it. You can actually come up from underneath and push that tab in there. Now let's see how she works. Okay, sounds like the blower's running on 1. A little more on 2. Awesome. Alright, so that works. Alright, well, that's pretty simple. Open the glove box, pull the red tab, pull the socket plug out, 2 8mm screws, pop them out, the resistor will come right out. Slide the new resistor in, put the 2 screws in, plug the connector back in, close the glove box, and you're done. Seems to be common. Like I said, this has happened in both of our Liberties now. One is a 2002, this is a 2007. So you don't have to drive around with that annoying issue of only having the blower set on 3 or nothing, on or off kind of deal. So really simple, quick, easy, cheap fix. So let me know if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, click, comment, do all the good stuff, help our channel out, share it, and thanks for watching. Hey there. Today I'm going to change the resistor that controls the blower mower. Did that last time. We had to change one on our other Liberty that my daughter drives, and haven't any issues since. Haven't had